Good morning, children. Today's subject is logic and reasoning. Topic is birds. So let's revise the names of birds. Eagle, kingfisher, hen, woodpecker. National bird of India is peacock. Swan, Myna, sparrow, owl, quail, parrot, pigeon, crow. Want to see the real happiness? Just feed the bird, feel the God. Today's topic is parts of a bird. Eye, head, wings, tail, feather, claw, beak, body, leg. These are the parts of a bird. So let's repeat again. Eye, head, wings, tail, feathers, claw, legs, body, beak. Let's talk about Friday's activity, that is tomorrow. We are going to make patriotic paper mosaic. All you need: white A4 paper, tricolor, saffron, white and green hand-torn paper pieces. Parents are requested, your child has to tear this paper. Yeah, that is good for fine motor skill. Glue and pencil. Parents are requested to draw this flag before the activity on A4 white sheet. Okay? Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.